Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. Hope you're all going well with your Te Reo Māori journey. Today we're doing a video about clothing and speaking to children or anyone else who needs instructions about putting on something. So to ask somebody to put on something is whakamaua, whakamaua. Remember to put those breaks after the vowels. Whakamaua, whakamaua tō. So if it's a singular thing, it's tō, and if it's a plural, it's o. So you might have a picture dictionary with Māori clothing pages, so that would help you to figure out which things to say, but I've drawn some up here just to help you. So whakamaua tō pōtai means put on your hat. Whakamaua tō tihate, put on your t-shirt. Whakamaua tō pōtai maro, put on your helmet. So maybe they're going for a ride on their bikes and they need to put on their helmet. Pōtai maro is hard hat. Whakamaua tō pōraka, put on your jumper, jersey. And then if it's a plural thing, whakamaua o, karapu, put on your gloves. Whakamaua o tōkena, put on your socks, also for stockings. Whakamaua o hu, put on your shoes. Whakamaua o kamuputu, put on your gumboots. So that's a very easy sentence to add to your kete. If you're a parent or a grandparent or a teacher, you can be using that sentence really easily and help children to use those words as well. Hope that helps you. Please let me know if you have anything you'd like me to cover. I'm more than happy to do that. Ka kite.